This video we are going to look at the CPR indicator for Ninjatrader. So here I am on the Ninjatrader forum. You can see somebody has posted a add-on for Ninjatrader. So you can see the formula here, the code. You can see somebody has, okay, so if you go down a little bit, so here's a file, and you can search this forum. You have the somebody has provided the so this is the file. So this is a zip file, so you can download this zip file, and I'll just show you how to upload it into a Ninjatrader. So I'm in Ninjatrader here. Okay, now go into tools, import Ninjatrader add-on. And we should pick up the zip file which is provided from that page. Then once you have the file, create new chart. Let's say I want NQ. Okay, so this is chart of NQ. So let's say, let me go to a 5-minute chart. Okay, I'm in a 5-minute chart. Let me go to indicator. So I go down. So apply. You can see the indicator with PP, pivot point, top CPR, bottom CPR. Okay, and then S1, S2. Okay, S1, S2. So if you want to change the settings, indicators, let's look at so make sure you do also historical pivots. Okay, auto scale, so if you don't want these lines, just make it transparent. Okay, so you just make them transparent. So you just keep R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3, and make this transparent. Okay, so that way you will not see those lines. So this is the pivot point. So if it is it gets extended here also. So this way you can use pivot points in Ninjatrader, which will be helpful for you to trade. If you also want to add pivot points, you can also add, but this also already has a support line 1, 2, 3. So you don't want to add that also. So this is how you use pivot points and CPR in Ninjatrader. Thanks for watching the video. So I'm going to give the link of the forum, and I also give if you don't have access to the forum, I will also give you a link to the file which was downloaded. So click on the forum, and then you will be able to download the file. Thank you.